Welcome to our presentation on emergency preparedness. Be ready for any situation. In this video, we'll discuss how to plan, prepare, and respond to emergencies effectively. Emergency preparedness is essential for ensuring safety in times of crisis. Today, we'll cover local hazards, creating a solid emergency plan, building emergency kits, and special considerations for different needs. Let's get started. First, it's crucial to understand your local hazards. Different regions face unique risks. For example, here in British Columbia, we might encounter floods, earthquakes, or wildfires. Take a moment to think about what hazards affect you. Look up local hazards on Prepared website. Familiarize yourself with each one and discuss with your household. Let's look at specific hazards in our community. We might encounter floods, wildfires, earthquakes, tsunamis, severe weather, landslides, power outages, drought, disease outbreaks, and hazardous material spills. Understanding these risks helps you prepare effectively. Write down these hazards and place the list somewhere visible in your home, like on your fridge, as a reminder. Creating an emergency plan is vital. Gather your household and discuss how you will prepare and respond in an emergency. Remember, your emergency plan should reflect your unique needs. Consider any special requirements for children, pets, or older adults in your home. Use the Prepared BC Interactive Emergency Ready Planner or a fill-in-the-blanks plan. Download it at preparedbc.ca/emergencyplan. Take about 15 to 20 minutes to fill it out together. An emergency kit is essential if you have to shelter at home during a disaster. Items like water, non-perishable food, a flashlight, and a first aid kit are critical. Set aside some time this week to gather these items. Check out the Prepared BC website at preparedbc.ca/emergencykit for a complete list of what to include. Here are some basics to include. At least 3 days worth of water, non-perishable food, toiletries, a battery-powered radio, and a copy of your emergency plan. In case of an evacuation, you'll need a grab-and-go bag. This bag should contain essentials like food, water, personal items, and any necessary medications. Choose a bag that's easy to carry. Each member of your household should prepare their own grab-and-go bag. Personalize these bags by adding comfort items, especially for children. Items like a favorite toy or blanket can provide reassurance during stressful times. Communication is key during an emergency. Designate an out-of-province contact to help reconnect you with family if local lines are jammed. Create a private social media group or a group text for your family. Make sure everyone knows how to check in with each other. Make sure everyone knows where to meet if separated. Agree on a safe location that's easy to reach. Discuss this location with your family and practice the plan. Write it down and post it in a visible area at home. If you have older adults or individuals with special needs in your household, take the time to make a tailored emergency plan for them. A support network can be incredibly beneficial. Sit down with older family members to create their emergency plan, ensuring they understand the steps and have their grab-and-go bag ready. Don't forget about your pets. Include them in your emergency plans by preparing grab-and-go bags with food, water, and comfort items. Make a list of what your pets will need in an emergency and pack their grab-and-go bag. Don't forget their medical information and leash. In conclusion, being prepared for emergencies can save lives. Take the time to make a plan, build an emergency kit, and communicate with your household. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need more information, please reach out or visit Prepared BC. Stay safe and be prepared.